Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about gold. So let's get started. This gold chart, I'm going to show a couple of old chart and then the new one that was happening. Okay. So this is the chart on the 15th October I made, and it's Elliott Wave count 1, 2, 3, 1, ABC 2, 3, 4, ABC 4. And then I said, okay, if this is finished, then we're going to go up for wave 5. So we started to go up for wave 5, right? So we went there. So now my next target was this area here and these numbers, right? 1959. So it went up there nice and clean. And on January 28th, I made this chart that we're probably going to go up a little bit more towards these numbers, 1959, and then from there on, and then 78% is right there. So we're gonna drop from there to 1802, and then we're gonna bounce from there and then go forward for that. And it is something like that, you know, like what we call it, like a butterfly pattern, and within a Elliott wave, right? So that happened all the time, and they are the same thing basically. So for this, I'm going to show you the current chart, what happened, and then what's happening. I made like 5 or 6 chart in between every week, right? Every other day. But let me just show you the okay, let me just move it from here. All right, so these are the different charts. It's coming down, 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 and also I was making this 80-minute chart from here. I said we're going to be coming down here. So this one also went down, down, down. And now this is the chart. All the way, it came down to 1802. And 1st March today, we are going up, right? And I already have my entry. Let me show you the live chart of this gold thingy. And this is what the live is. And this is a 40-minute chart. It bounced from there. 1802 is right below somewhere here. This is 1802, right? So I went up there, and then a 20-minute chart, this is how it is. And this is the entry that I have here, and I'm sitting here right now. My SL is just here a little bit. And then once this one goes above this high, I'm going to sit on a break even. Let me show you the chart, because the gold chart and the gold and oil, I have other computer on a laptop. That account is different than Forex thingies. So they're both running over there, right? I recorded the chart, one of the chart. Let me see if I have, yeah, this one. So this is the entry here. This buy order here, SL here, and then start to go up. So this is how it is, and I was expecting that it will bounce from 1802. So it started to bounce. Let's see if I'm right. Then it will continue to go. Next target will be 1877, then 19, and then these numbers, and then so on and so forth. So let's see what happens. All right. So trade accordingly, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you get my videos on time. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful week. Rest of the week of trading.